How to make grid in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So here you have this blank document on your Google Docs. After that, on your menu bar, go to Insert, then go to Table. After that, you have to select the number of rows and columns you want in your grid, like this. If you want to expand it, you can do it as so. You can do it both vertically and horizontally. Like this. Now you can expand it, and if you want to fit it and make the grid size adjusted, right click here, then distribute rows, distribute columns, and just like this you have now made a grid. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.